Hey Facebook world, it's Tracy Shaw and it is freezing on this Sunday afternoon, but I'm at 30 Timberline in Sherman, Illinois. It's a new listing, it's a new price, $399,900 for this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5-bath home. I am all by myself today, so I'm gonna try to do my best to check for questions if anybody has them, but also show you this beautiful home. So I'm gonna turn this around and we're gonna get going. All right guys, here's the front door of this home. You will see a very large formal dining room space. Beautiful windows, transom, lots of light to let in. 12-foot ceilings in here. Beautiful arches on the columns. Hardwood flooring. If you guys are watching live, will you give me a like? If you're watching on the replay, will you give me a 1? Right off the entryway, there is a double French door. And this is to the den. Carpet flooring, normal ceiling height, gas fireplace. If you guys are just joining me, I'm at 30 Timberline in Sherman. Very open floor plan. Custom open staircase to the lower level, which we'll go down there in a few minutes. Take you through the kitchen first. The kitchen was redone by these owners. C&A did the custom cabinetry. There's really cool details at the top where the crown molding is. Very tall cabinets, so lots of space inside, not just your average 2 shelves, but 4. Stainless steel appliances will all stay. The refrigerator was new just this last year. Travertine backsplash tile with beautiful glass details. Under cabinet lighting. Custom pantry. And right here off the garage, which is a 3-car, I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see. You will notice over there is the service door to the exterior. We'll go out there in just a few minutes. You got attic storage here, and this house already has a radon system in place. Thanks everybody who's joining me. I know it's freezing outside. I had 1 person through the open house, so I thought I'd bring the open house to you. Here's the laundry room right off the garage. It's awesome if you've got kids. Everybody can come in here and just unload their stuff right here. This is all ready to go for a double washer and dryer. So if you like to do laundry, there's space to do that. I love the folding area, lots of cabinetry for storage, and then another wet sink if you have spills and animals to clean up. It's perfect for that. If you didn't already hear me say, this house has 5 bedrooms and 5 baths, so it's plenty of space. They actually had this added on. It's a little like buffet area. It's perfect for when you have entertaining guests, or you're entertaining guests. There's another area right here for another dining room table. And then that is in addition to the formal space, which I have already showed you. Thanks, Michelle. They did their, the new floors as well. They're real hard wood. So full bathroom right here off the main level. You got 11-foot ceilings in here, granite countertops, 1-piece tub, ceramic tile on the floor. Just a really nice space altogether. It does have a tub, ladies with children, ladies and gentlemen with children. So perfect there. Here is the first bedroom right off the main level here. Very nice, great views. That's something I'm really big on, is just what do you see? Walk-in closets in every bedroom except for 1, so fabulous, fabulous. This is a Jack and Jill. This was part of the addition done on this house in 2013. Very nice addition. I love the brick lay, gray tile. Beautiful colors. I'll show you the tub. It's got a transom window above it. 1 piece. Second bedroom. Beautiful windows. I love the grills. And look at those views, guys. There's nothing back there. It's just wooded. Second walk-in closet. The space will not disappoint you here. All right, let's go back out to the main level. Quartz countertops, if I didn't already tell you that. Screened in porch, all maintenance-free decking. This is a split level concept, so the master bedroom is on the other side of the house. Carpet flooring. Has its own ensuite. Garden tub. Beautiful tile details. I don't know if you guys see the tile here. Look at the details in the floor. And then the shower. His and her sinks. And then the master walk-in closet. Oh, Holly, you're right. It was your parents' old home. Chuck Klein is the builder on this home. Phil Zinn did the addition. Holly, I'm going to take you down to your old bedroom. This house has been so loved. You're going to love this, you guys. Look at this. Look at this space. And it's a walkout basement, so look at all the light that comes in just naturally. Full projection wall that can stay or could be painted over. Part of the addition on this house included this bedroom, or not this bedroom, I apologize, this bathroom right here off of the patio area. Hey, Eric. Lots of storage. Brick lay tile again on the floor, beautiful. There's 2 more bedrooms downstairs. There's also a little kitchenette over here off this family room. So perfect for grabbing snacks. You could put a pizzazz down here, make some pizza. There's a wet sink, a fridge. No reason to go upstairs and pop popcorn. One of the bedrooms downstairs. It does not have a full egress. It's got a nice walk-in closet. Check out the 5th bedroom or 5th bathroom downstairs. Granite countertops. Another tub shower combo. Here's the 5th bedroom. All right, here's the best part. And take you guys outside to see these views. Everybody wants to live on a cul-de-sac with nobody behind them. Doesn't get any better than that. So here you have it. You got this fantastic patio space. The fan built right in. You got the 2-level deck that comes down, all maintenance free. Look at this. Nobody behind you. Now there is talk about a path that's supposed to come like back here. It's a walking path. It's supposed to connect Sherman to Williamsville. And there's also a pond for fishing. Here is the entrance to the 4th bathroom that I showed you guys earlier. So if you wanted to do like a hot tub over there, you could go in and out of the house without getting water everywhere. And one of the things I love about this house is when they did the addition, they put on this double door storage space so that you could store all your toys and tools. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's freezing. If you guys have any questions, post below. I'll be sure to post the link as well. Again, this is in Sherman and it's $399.9. And thanks for watching. See ya.